In this video, I'll show you how to use the scanner of your HP DeskJet 2742e. So depending which device you have, if you have a smartphone or a computer, you will first need to connect your printer to that device. And I have a few videos on my channel showing you specifically how to connect the printer with the different devices that are available. So do this first and then open the HP Smart app. It's available on PC and also on iPhone and Android smartphone. Open the lid of the scan bed. Take your document. This is what I want to scan. Make sure that the top part of this document is on the right side facing down, and also make sure that this corner over here of your page is aligned with the corner of the scanner. So just push the paper until both are touching like this. Then close this. Go on the HP Smart app and you're going to find over here scan. On the smartphone as well, there is a small icon where it says scan. Then press the scan. Next, you'll have to choose a few details about what you want to scan. So make sure that over here under presets, document or photo is selected depending what you want to scan. Okay, in my case, it's a document, so I'll choose document. Then scan area, it's up to you. If you're scanning something small, let's say a 4x6 picture, you can select something smaller, again, depending what you just put on the scan bed. And then select if you want to scan in color and the resolution. The resolution is very important. If you're scanning a text document, you can leave it at 150. But if you're scanning anything that you need to have a lot of details, like a picture, a painting, or any artwork, well, I would suggest you choose 1200 dpi or the highest number, because this will give you the best details. Okay, so I'll just leave it at 150, and when I'm ready, I'll simply press the blue scan button. So this is the page that just got scanned. If you want to rotate this, simply press this small icon on the corner here. It will rotate the page. If not, you're going to have a few options. You have print, if you want to print what you just scanned, or save, and I'll press save. Here you can give this scan a brand new name, so you can delete this default name and go ahead, type anything, and then you can select what kind of file type you want over this. So if you want a PDF, mostly for documents, or if you want a JPEG. And finally, you have the compression. Just leave it like this. Simply press save, and it will open up this window, and you'll be able to save it on your computer, or if you're on your smartphone memory. And by the way, let's say this is the first page of a long document. Let's say it has 10 pages. You just have to press the plus button over here where it says add, and then put the new document, scan it again, and you'll have all the pages aligned on your screen. And then when you press save in PDF, it will combine them in one single PDF file, which is quite cool. So this is about it. This is how you use the scanner of your HP DeskJet 2742e. If this was helpful, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.